first.
Nobody cares.
He was like, oh, yeah, I know, it's alright. And it was like a terrible memory. It's like a roller coaster. I don't think there's any more people on the street. Imagine this Subway with all these air conditioning. That's nice. Imagine this condition. How fast would it take? That's the way to do it, like do the secret path. Why is it going against like pumps? I don't like this.
I think that we're all gonna fall through nets. Who knows?
Slow ass elevator.
70 years later.
I know, right? I really, really want someone to be like, Ray. Oh, yeah, just came up with an idea of an incline elevator.
The MTA.
This is the future. Escalators like this.
Welcome to the future.
I'm sorry, don't like up and down this one faster.
They're gonna do
Much
this.
faster.
They're gonna do this with the Q line extension.
No, that's gonna be a waste of money and time.
And also
Way
the
much
T line.
faster, but
Exactly.
Yeah.
this is about the time
Aren't
it
you
took
a
to get to like the
This is
50th
taking
story
too long.
and the funicular in Montreal.
Oh look, they're gonna record us right now.
Oh my god, yeah, true.
And we're recording them, so it doesn't really matter. It's mutual.
Javon will be coming here in like an hour. That's good.
He wastes memory for.
Where's that bad?
That part of it
I
doesn't.
still have
I'm
3
taking
gigabytes
station
left.
pictures.
Oh,
Textures.
Textures.
Yeah.
Probably like rotate them.
And I'm
phone still has
taking
10 left.
signals.
Please don't.
This is the slowest elevator.
Oh, wow.
In the galaxy.
No one's gonna use this, man.
They just set this up for convention.
This is the thing that slowed down the release for 2 years, right?
Yes.
Oh, like not worth it. Oops.
Yep.
I don't want to be trapped in there. Woo! Survived!
Waste of money.
This was a